Hello guys, today we will see how we can create this kind of template or landing page for by using WordPress, and this page is designed by Figma. So we will follow that design, and we try to create this kind of landing page by using WordPress. So for that we will use free resources, something like Elementor, free Elementor, and Elementor kit, like it for that header and footer. So this one will be the hero area, and here is full template landing page, and we will create this landing page today. So for that, at first we have to download all of the images by clicking and exploring those images, and after that we can go the WordPress dashboard, and we have to create a page, and then we have to click on that edit with Elementor. So let's show you first what kind of plugin I will use for that. So right now I have installed plugin something like Elementor. We will use that one, and we will use another plugin. Which one is Elements Kit Lite. So those are fully free. So you can install those plugin by clicking adding here new, and then search here Elementor. So that for that you have to have internet connection if you are using local server, and or if you are using live server, then it definitely you have also need to internet. So at first you have to install that one, and also this one. So those two plugin will need for that design that landing page. So let's start. So at first we are now right now we are in our homepage, with Elementor page builder. So right now we have that those information by showing from header and footer. So let's disappearing that. So at first we are just selecting Elementor canvas, so we will see the property section here. So at first we will use to create this one. So we will create that one, the header, later. So for that, let's add a section, a full section, and this one will be height, a minimum height will be ph, and here will be 100% ph. So after that we have to add a background, so the style, and then normal, and then classic, and then choose your background from uploading thing, and this one is here. So let's upload from here as set, and this one is the background. So I have already downloaded that background, so I have uploaded that one and hit enter. And this one is position is I think center, and we are actually seeing the another image. This one is repeating, so no repeat, and that side will be cover. So now it's looking good. So it's looking good now. Okay, so this one is good. So after that we need to add the heading, and let's add heading, and heading will be this one. This one is our text, and we have a breakpoint here, so we have to add a breakpoint here, something like write some HTML code. This one is a HTML code for break the app and break a line, and the style color will be this font. The text color will be this, and the font is this font, and the size is 65, and the normal font. The font, let's search the font, this font, and 65, and the thing will be regular, size will be and that one is normal, and that one is perfect, and line height is automatic, so that one is done automatic. Okay, so we have another section, which one is a text section. So we just added a text here, and this one is with, we have add some breakpoint here, something like here we are, and there, and then done. Okay, so the font will be this and color will be that. So let's go to the style. This one is the font, that 20 and the regular. So this one will be 20 and regular. Sorry, normal. That one is called regular. Okay, and the color will be that. This one is the color. Okay, so this one is also done. So we right now we have to add a button, call to action button. So let's add a call to action, and the padding is, I think it's looking good. And now we have to add a call to action button here. So this one is the text. So this one is our text. So let's add the text here. So after that we have to add that as text will be FFF, the color, and 20 and 25 and regular. So let's add font color will be white, and the button. Okay, and the typography will be that one, and 20 and 25. Let's add the font family 20, and it will be medium, scale, regular, normal. So normal and 25, and then everything is good. So now add the background color. This one is the background color, and the button background color will be this, and else everything is looking good, but we need to add a few space from the left and right. So padding will be, here will be 10, fashion will be 10, and the left will be 20. Let's make that 130. Okay, and right will be, left will be also 30. So this one is done. And now we just completed our header. So let's see the preview. And this one is our header section. This one's pretty simple. I think you are great enough to do that, if you, and it's too much easy for you to complete that one. And let's add few space from the top, something like 15. I think 10 will be great. Okay, so this section is complete, and now we can move on that section, this section. So let's add another section here, and there will be two column, 1 and 2, separate section. And at first will be a text. So let's add a text, and this background color is white, so no need to change that one, just add that text. And this font family is that one, and 24 and 157 font family, and this one is 24 and 157, 24 and 1 percentage, one is percentage, so we can make that one 167. That one is 24 and 30. Let's make that one 30. So line height is 30, and semi bold, that one is already in semi bold. And let's add the color. So this one is our color, that one is our color. And another things, we have to make some padding from the top. So let's give the some padding here. From the top it will be 100. So this one is done. So let's add another things. Which one is the heading? So let's copy that one and paste it over here, and copy the text and paste the text here and release. And let's here will be 50, and that one is the color. So let's change that font. Here is 50. Okay, and this one is the color. So this one is already in exist here. So that one's done. And now we have to add some and the text here, so we can copy that one. That one is too much similar from here, so paste that one here, and this one is the text. This one is the text, and let's paste that one here, and 20 medium and 150. This one is the font. So this one is the font. Yeah, is 20 50. Everything is good. It's medium. Okay, it's called medium, and we have to add few space from the top, because this alignment is following that line. So let's add few padding from the top and make that one from the left alignment, and from the top it will be something like so 50, which is good. So this one is done. And we have to follow here. Here is low padding from the top. So we have to add here some negative margin from the top, so something like 10. And 10, 15 will be great. Okay, so we have to reduce here something like 35. Okay, so this one is also done. So we can move on here this section. So let's add another section. Which one will be three container? 3. Okay, so now we have to add no padding. So this one is our first text, so we can add title here, heading title. We can also copy that one. So let's paste that number here, and this one is the text 150 and 150%, and this one is the color. So 100 is here will be 150, and this one is regular, so it will be normal, and 50%, that means 200, something like 200, and it's normal font. Okay, so this one is the color. So this one is the color. So here is a little bit opacity as 22, so we have to reduce that, call something like that. No, a little bit more, something like that. That one is perfect. So now we have to add another text, and let's make that one inline auto. So the position will be white will be inline auto, and we have to add another text section here, so it will be lower. Here will be the text, and this one also will be inline auto. So no, let's make that one default, and here will be this color 30 and 150. Let's give the style here. This one's color, sorry, that was my mistake, my bad. So this one is the text as font family, and 30 and 150, and this one will be regular. So the font family is that, and sorry, my bad, 30, and regular, that one is normal. Okay, and that one's color 150. Okay, so 30 here, we can give here 40, and the color is 100%. So done. Okay, so now we have to add few padding from the top and from the left, and we need to give some negative margin from the right. So 80 is, it is good, and we have to give her here negative margin, few negative margin for that, unbind that one and minus, and start the negative margin here, something like this. Okay, and we have to give her few margin here, so that 80, let's 95, and that. Okay, so this one's perfect. So let's add our another section. Let's add here inner section here. Okay, so we have to add a pop navigator, because we are actually unable to play with that, so we have to make that one up in the text editor. So now that's one good. So at first delete the first column, and now we have to add the text here and unbind that padding. Okay, so now it's good. So here will be the text, and the font family 20 letter, and 20 and 150, and that one's the color. 20, 150, that means 30 frame. Get that 30, that is great. And the color will be this, and medium, it's medium size, so medium, and that one is the color, and color is 100%. Okay, so 100%, and this spacing is also good. Okay, so now we can add an image here. So let's add an image here. This one is the image, and we have that image. So this one is the image, and insert the image, and the padding is looking good. Padding is looking good. Okay, so this one is done. So now we can add another. We can duplicate that one, and delete the other one, and also duplicate that one again, and delete the other one again. So I think I did some mistake here. That text section in the will be lower, and this one is also, so it's going to up, and that one is go here, and also here. Here's the problem. We need to up. Okay, so we are done. So number 2, number 3. So there will be 3, and the text will be this, and the text will be this, and the text will be this. Okay, so and the one is image, so we have to change that image one again, this one. So image is done, so this section is done, number 3 is done. So we have some padding from the top here, so we have to add some padding from the top. Okay, let's add here margin here from the top will be 20. Let's make here 30. So that one's good. And also have floor padding from the top here on the number 2. And this one is the text for the number 2. Sorry, it's more bad. It will be 2. This one is the text, and this one is the or another paragraph, and that one is the image. So upload the image. Which one? That one. Okay, so now we can add few padding from the top, something like 100. Okay, 100 is not good enough. We have to make more page margin from the top. I think that one is perfect. No, it's not perfect enough here. Okay, that one is done. So we are done with that. Okay, so now we can move from the another section, which was very easy for that. So here will be two columns. Second column will be an image, and this one is the background. So let's add first background. Full background color will be that solid color. This one is the background color, and at first here will be add text headline. Which one is heading? Let's add the heading, and this one is the text 5157 and white. This one is white. Sorry, font family 50 and regular, so that means normal, and 50, that means let's make that 100. So 100 is too much, so 50, that means 75. Okay, and another paragraph, let's copy that one, paste here, and this one's the text, and it's white 25 and 157. That's white 25 and 57, semi-bold 25, that's semi-bold. Okay, this section will be a little bit smaller, and we have to add a few padding from the top right. It will be from the right will be 20, 5. Okay, it looks good, and the padding will be top and button will be 100. Top and button will be something like 100, and button will be also 100. Okay, so this one's look good, and we have to add a video content here. So here will be video. At first, let's add a random video here, something of go to YouTube, and let's add my favorite song. Okay, so search that one, copy that, and close that one, and paste the link here. Okay, so now we need to add the thumbnail and the icon here. Okay, so this one will be the thumbnail of video here. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, it's simply done, and now we need to just add the border radius. So here's the border radius will be something like 20 is enough. Okay, so we let's see here is 20. Okay, so we're done with that. So we're done with that. Now we need to play with the icon size, something like it will be 30. Let's increase that one. So it's okay. That was too much. Let's make that one 60. 60 is great. Yeah, it's great. And now we can play with that last section, and again there will be 2, and let's duplicate that one. That one will be 2. much easier. And sorry, I forgot to add a pattern. Yeah, so this one will be the pattern. So let's copy that one. We have already we are created one pattern here. Just copy that one and paste it over here. So there will be texts, and here will be the link. So this one is looking good. So now we can duplicate that one. Okay, and we have to change that layout style. This one will be first image. Let's delete that video first. Here will be an image. So here's the image, and I forgot to add here. This one is center middle. So we need to make that one positioning, vertical alignment will be middle, and this one is also will be now it's from the top. So let's add first the image here. This one is our image, so we already added image, and let's change that background color. It's actually okay. So now it's look good. So now we have to add few padding from the right, from the left, sorry. Okay, and let's reduce that size, and here will be this text and something like that. So we can copy that one. Let's copy that one and paste it over here. And here is the text, which one is not visual because this text color is white, and here is another text. This one is also not visual for the white color. So that one will be our first text. Let's move it here, and the content will be like that, something like that. And we have to add some padding from the top. This one will be also from the top, and that one will be also from the top. So let's add few padding from the top. Will be something like 20. No, it's not 20. It will be something like that. Okay. And other things, we now need to add a title. Which one is that? And the text is here, and the color is this, and 50. The font size. This one's font 50 and 57 and regular 50. Okay, 57 and regular. Sorry, normal. That means normal. Okay, so this one is also done, and we have to add some negative margin from the top. So let's add some negative margin here. Okay, so this one is good. So that one is good. Okay, so now we have to add the paragraph here, and this one will be the paragraph. The paragraph color is here, 100% solid color. Okay, and the font is 20 and mixed. Okay, so this font will be 20, and it's not sample, it will be maybe regular. Okay, this one is regular. Okay, so now we are done, almost done. Now we have to add that full. Okay, we just added the button text, and now we are done. So we are done with that. Now we just need to create the footer and also header. So let's publish that one. And let's see the view. This one is done. That's pretty easy. This was pretty easy. And here we need to add some padding. So go here, and padding margin pattern will be something like 20, something like, let's give you 100, and will be great. Let's publish that one, and now it's look good. So from the top, This one spacing is also done. Okay, this one is done. So now we can move on the header and footer. So exit that one and go to Elementor and header footer, and then add new. Here will be header. I just here will be the name. I just add a random name and active that one, save that one, and then click on that, and then click on the edit content. So go to the header. Here will be logo 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so single section. Here will be three column, 2 4 gate, duplicate. First will be the logo. So let's add logo here and upload logo here. This one is logo. Upload that one, and it will be from the left, and the link will be linked, custom link, and we can click here the home page. Okay, so now we can move on there, and everything is done, and I think done. So we need to reduce that size. Okay, and then we have to add few padding from the top and up. Top and bottom will be something like 30. Will be 30. Okay, 30 is great and good enough. 30 10 20 20 will be great enough. 20 sorry 20 20. Okay, now we have to add that pattern, and this one came from the menu, so we'll click add a menu, or I already created the menu here. I have already a menu, so see that one, sorry, this one is menu. So I have already few menu here, so let's remove that one. I deleted that page. So I have already created menu. So if you have not, then click on that create menu, and then add few pages from here, or add few custom pages here from clicking here, something like that. So add the link and text here. So this one's pretty easy, so just something like that. Okay, so I added homepage and hit the save button, and after that go here and reload that one, update that one first, then reload that one, and search menu, nav menu. So here's the nav menu, place it here, select your menu, and this one is called top menu because I saved that one by using top menu. So it will be from the right or center. It will be from the center. Okay, and the text will be this, color is this, and a little medium. So let's add the menu item start. Sorry, it's color. Okay, so the font is pad 20 medium. 20, and it will be medium, and then the menu height will be auto, and padding we have to add few padding. So padding I don't know, item here, and hover color, let's add a hover color, something like this color, and also active color will be that. Okay, and I think we are already done with that. So now we can move on that to pattern. So first one will be a button. here, and it will be from the right side and will be inline auto, and it will be on the right side, and we can move it from here. It will be and the text will be this, and font will be that 2025. It will be 20, and regular font normal 25, and the color will be this 100% solid color. Pattern color will be this. Okay, so now we are done, and we need to add custom padding, something like 10, sorry, 110. I made it 10 to 100, so here will be 30, and also be 30. So this one's good, and we have to add another things, which one is a link also. So we can add a text or heading here. So add that one first, and it will be the text, and this one will be also inline auto, and that one will be here. So that text will be something like this: 20 regular and auto, and solid black color. So it's black. It will be 20, and regular also be regular, and this one will be middle. Vertical alignment will be middle, and that okay. So we have to add few padding from the right side. From the right side will be 20. Let's make that one 30. That is enough. Yeah, 30. No, let's make that one 40, and we have to make that one clickable. So we have to add this clickable link. So here is the link option, so we can paste the link here, or search a link here, something like home page or your pages, sign up pages, something like that. So let's add that one, home page. Okay, so we are done with the header, and we missed that one. We have to make that one in also middle, and that one will be also in middle. So we are done. So if we visit that page right now, then we will see the home header will not appear. So for that we have to go to the edit with Elementor, and then we have to change that page setting, and we need to make that one Elementor full wide. So save that one again, and then reload that one. See, the header is appear right now, but the footer is appearing on the wrong side because we have not created any footer right now. So we have to create the footer. Again, go to Elementor, elements kit, and then header footer, and then again click on that add button, and here will be footer. Okay, so let's activate that one and hit the save button again, and here is the footer. So we have to click on that here again and click on the edit content. So now see how it's the footer. For the footer, here is 3 section, so click on that, and 3 section, and first one will be some padding. So let's add to padding here, something like 50. It will be 100 also, so let's make that one 0, and here will be 100, and pattern will be also 100. Okay, so and we have to change that color also. So this one is our background color, so let's add background color here. Okay, so at first will be this, our logo. So let's add an image and upload the image. Choose your image. This one is our photo image, and insert the image here. Okay, and this one is alignment with the left side, and the size will be something like 150. Sorry, that one will be 150%, 50 pixel. Okay, so again here will be a text section. So we have to add a text, something like paragraph, and put the text here, and the color will be white, solid white. This one is font and 25 and mixed regular. So font will be this, will be 25 and regular and solid white color. So this one is done. Okay, it will be a little bit bigger section, and then we have some quick link option. So let's add again title here. So here will be title, and it will be white color, and this one will be 40 and pop-ins. So I think that fonts is still different, so we have to follow the uh, that font style. So let's find that font style, and this one is the font. So let's add that font here. This one is the font, and it will be 40 and auto and bold. So let's make that one bold. Okay, so now I need to add 4 links here. So for that we have 2 different way to add that one. Right now I will use list option, something like that. So add the list option here, and delete all of those, and delete the icon, and click add the link text here, and the color will be, it will be from the left, and text will be white, solid white, and the color semi bold white, and the typography will be font family will be that, and 25 and semi bold and full white, proper white. 25, I think 25 and semi bold and proper white color. I will already choose that one. Okay, so we have done that. So now we need to reduce that font. It's font size, that's too much. So let's reduce the font size, something like 20. Okay, so now we need to duplicate that one 3 more time. 3, okay, 4. So now we have done that one, but we have no link here. So if you have to link, you have to search your link or paste your link here. So another one is this. I'm not placing here any link right now. You can do that one by yourself, I hope. So this one is our second text. This one is our last start text, and that one is the last text. Okay, so we need to add few padding here from here, and we need to reduce that semi bold because it's too much. Okay, now it's look good. So now we need to give some spacing, something like that. Let's look good, and we need to give some padding from the top, something like 10. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we have to add our office address option. So I'm pasting that that heading here just for the quick purpose, making that one faster. So this one will be that text. So let's duplicate that one also. Copy and paste that one here. And here is our text. So first one will be our address, second one will be our email. So this one is our email. For the email, you have to write here il2.mail2 this. And third one will be the phone number. Here will be phone number, and for the phone number TEL colon and the number. Fourth one is also same for the phone number, and here will be TEL colon and number. And that's all. So we need to reduce that one. I need to give some space here. So we are done. So if we are actually reload that page right now, then we will see the footer is appear here. So let's read. Okay. So it's not racing. I think it's done. So let's open that one in private browser. Now this one is the wrong page. So let's find the page right here, right page here. This one is our page, I think. Okay, so we are in the right page. The footer is not appearing here. So I think we made some mistake here, something like for the elements and header and footer, and the footer is here, and we made that one into for header. So it's mistake. So we need to choose that one footer and save that one, and then we can reload that page and we will see that footer will appear. So this one is a footer, and we did that one perfectly. So this one is the video for your desktop version, and we will make the mobile and tab version later. So hope you enjoyed that video. Have a good time. Thank you.